I completed 6 months data science
Hi,
internship
myself
at Unified
Shrivani. I
Mentor,
have
and it
completed
was
my
very valuable experience
internship with
for me.
Unified
Internship
Mentor as a
helped
full
me
stack web
understand
development
real world
intern.
data
It was a
problems
great learning
and how to
experience.
solve
I
them
got to
using
work
machine
on the
learning.
projects
I
like
worked on data
weather
increasing,
app, which
EDA,
uses API
modeling,
integration, or
building,
student teacher booking
and
appointments,
evaluation,
which
which
also
improved
uses
my practical
Firebase and
skill a
Cloud
lot. The
Firestore.
mentors were
I
supportive
had
and explained
such a
concept
great
in a
time working
simple
on
and
this
clear way.
project, which
The
makes my
project-based
knowledge
learning made me the
or my
more
theoretical
confident
knowledge
handling
worked into the
end-to-end data
practical
science
ones.
project.
It
The
improved
internship
my
helped me a
skills in
lot
HTML, CSS,
and
JavaScript,
helped me
and
to grow
also
both
I happen to learn
technically
new
and
skills
professionally. I
like
would strongly
React, Node,
recommend the Unified
and
Mentor
Firebase as
to
well.
anyone who wants
I had such a
hands-on
great time.
experience. I
Overall, the
completed 6 months
mentors
data
in
science
Unified Mentor are
internship
so
at
supportive. Any
Unified
doubts
Mentor,
can be
and
solved
it
if I
was
message
very
them or
valuable
call them in
experience
any
for me.
time,
Internship
which was a
helped
great thing
me
which makes
understand
every
real-world
task
data
easier.
problems and how
Thank
to
you,
solve them
Unified
using
Mentor,
machine
for
learning.
giving me this
I worked
opportunity,
on
and I'll
data
recommend to
cleaning,
all the
EDA,
students to
modeling,
gain the work
building,
experience
and
and the real
evaluation,
life
which
experience
improved
through
my
this.
practical skill
Thank
a
you.
lot. The